how to say how are you in Greek. How are you? Πώς είσαι? How are you? Πώς είσαι? Now you try. That was the informal version. If you wanted to use the formal version, you would say, how are you? Πώς είστε? How are you? Πώς είστε? Now you try. And this is how you say, what's up? Τι γίνετε? What's up? Τι γίνετε? Now you try. You can also say, what news? Τι νέα? What news? Τι νέα? Now you try. If you want to say, I'm fine, thanks. Καλά είμαι, ευχαριστώ. I'm fine, thanks. Καλά είμαι, ευχαριστώ. Now you try. Perhaps you want to ask, and you? Εσείς? And you? Εσείς? Now you try. That was the formal version. If you want to use the informal version, and you? Εσύ? And you? Εσύ? Now you try. And that's how to say, how are you in Greek.